Welcome to Fishbone Offroad's instructions on how to remove Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma factory front bumper. Step 1. Open your vehicle's hood and with a Phillips screwdriver or 10mm socket, remove the two screws attached to the grille brackets. Follow the grille trim and with a body clip remover, remove the two body clips from the top plastic. Finally, while gently pulling the grille outwards, push the two black inner tabs down, allowing the grille to be removed. Step 2. With a body clip remover, remove the three body clips securing the top of the bumper. With a 10mm socket, remove the bolt securing the bumper to the fender. And the bolt under the bumper, just below the fog lights on each side. Next, follow the inner liner into the wheel well, and with a screwdriver, loosen the first body clip and remove it while pushing the inner liner aside. Reach inside the liner and unclip the vehicle fog lights. Push the gray tab in while simultaneously pulling and removing the wire harness. Next, with a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch the green body clip retaining the headlight trim and remove it from each side. Finally, with a 10mm socket, remove the two bolts from the bottom of the bumper. With the help of a friend, pull the bumper out and away and carefully set it down. Step 3. With a 14mm socket, remove the 6 flange nuts retaining the front crossmember. Pull it off the studs and gently place it aside. This concludes the removal of the Tacoma front bumper. Please like this video and subscribe to us for more videos like this.